Have you ever found yourself wondering why hunger seems to strike, even after you've just finished a big, satisfying meal? Maybe you've pushed your plate away, feeling full, only to find your stomach rumbling again an hour later. Or perhaps you've noticed that some people seem to be constantly hungry, while others can go hours without even thinking about food. Why is it that some of us struggle so much more with appetite than others? Is it just a matter of willpower, or is there something deeper at play? For years, we've been told that controlling our hunger is all about making the right food choices and having enough self-control. But what if that's only part of the story? Deep inside your brain, there's a hidden switch, a biological mechanism that quietly signals when you've had enough to eat, or when your body thinks it needs more. Recently, scientists have uncovered this mysterious switch, and their discovery could completely change the way we understand appetite, weight gain, and even obesity. Hunger is one of our most basic instincts, a primal force that once helped our ancestors survive in a world where food was scarce. But in today's world, where food is everywhere and choices are endless, this ancient system can sometimes go haywire. This new research suggests that the real battle with weight isn't just about what's on your plate. It's about the complex pathways in your brain that control your desire to eat. For decades, conversations about weight have focused on the simple equation of calories in versus calories out. But this approach ignores the powerful biological forces that drive our hunger and cravings. Now, researchers have identified a tiny but mighty protein in the brain that acts as a master regulator of appetite. This protein helps explain why some people never seem to feel full, no matter how much they eat. For millions who have struggled in silence, blaming themselves for a lack of willpower, this discovery is a powerful validation. It shows that hunger is not just a personal failing, but a complex biological process. So what does this mean for medicine, for society, and for anyone who's ever felt trapped by their appetite? Let's take a closer look at this groundbreaking finding and what it could mean for the future of health. Meet MRAPU, the brain's secret hunger switch. This tiny protein plays a huge role in telling your body when to eat and when to stop. Understanding MRAP2's role replaces blame with compassion. It offers hope that with the right knowledge, we can find new ways to support each other and ourselves on the journey to better health. Forget the old story that willpower is everything. Now, science is revealing that a tiny protein could be the key to unlocking a healthier relationship with food. This discovery is more than just a scientific breakthrough. It could change everything we know about hunger, weight, and the way we approach health. For many, this is a shift in understanding human biology. It explains why, for some, controlling hunger can feel almost impossible, no matter how hard they try. The implications are enormous. With this new perspective, doctors and researchers can develop better treatments, and individuals can find new hope in their journey toward weight management. So join us as we journey deep into the brain, exploring the science behind this remarkable discovery, and uncover how understanding MRAP2 could transform the way we think about hunger, health, and ourselves. Meet MRAP2, a protein crucial for appetite control. This tiny molecule, hidden deep within your brain, plays a surprisingly big role in how much you eat and when you feel full. While it might sound like just another scientific acronym, MRAP2 is actually a key player in the complex orchestra of hunger and satiety that keeps your body in balance. Think of it as an assistant for your brain's hunger signals, working behind the scenes to help your brain interpret when it's time to eat, and more importantly, when it's time to stop. Without this assistant, your brain's communication about hunger can get mixed up, leading to confusion about when you're truly full. Scientists at the Weizmann Institute and Queen Mary University identified MRAP2 as key to feeling full. Their groundbreaking research revealed that this protein acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that the right signals are sent and received at just the right moments. This discovery was the result of years of collaboration and advanced genetic studies. MRAP2 helps the brain receive the stop eating signal. When you eat, your body sends a cascade of messages to your brain, and MRAP2 is essential for making sure those messages are heard loud and clear. It's like a traffic controller, directing the flow of information so your brain knows when you've had enough. It ensures the MC4R receptor is ready to receive fullness messages. The MC4R receptor is like a lock, and MRAP2 is the key that makes sure it's working properly. Without MRAP2, the lock can't open, and the fullness message never gets through. Faulty MRAP2 leads to insatiable hunger, as seen in genetic studies. People with mutations in the MRAP2 gene often struggle with constant hunger, no matter how much they eat. This isn't about willpower. It's a biological issue rooted in the brain's signaling pathways. This discovery shifts focus from behavior to biology. Instead of blaming overeating on lack of self-control, we now understand that the brain's chemistry plays a huge role. This new perspective is changing how scientists and doctors think about appetite and weight management. MRAP2 is vital for the active process of feeling full. It's not just a passive response. Your brain is actively working to interpret signals from your body, and MRAP2 is at the heart of this process, making sure everything runs smoothly. Without it, the brain can't hear the stop eating signal. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, as the body's natural brakes on appetite simply don't work as they should. This changes our perspective, opening new avenues for treatment. By targeting MRAP2, researchers hope to develop therapies that can help people who struggle with obesity or uncontrollable hunger, offering hope for more effective solutions in the future. Understanding MRAP2's role offers a new lens on obesity. It highlights the importance of brain biology and weight regulation, and could lead to more compassionate, science-based approaches to treatment. It's a breakthrough in understanding appetite control. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of MRAP2, we move closer to unlocking new ways to help people achieve healthier lives. Imagine driving a car without brakes. That's what hunger feels like without the crucial MRAP2 protein. It's like being on a never-ending journey where the destination is never reached and the hunger never satisfied. The brain's off switch for hunger is malfunctioning, leading to an insatiable and relentless hunger. This isn't just a fleeting feeling. It's a constant, overpowering urge that dominates daily life. It's not about greed or lack of willpower. It's a biological imperative driven by the body's chemistry. The body demands food, and the mind is compelled to obey. When MRAP2 is faulty, it traps MC4R receptors inside cells, blocking the signals that tell us we're full. This disruption in communication leads to a constant feeling of emptiness. This condition results in hyperphagia, or persistent hunger, where the need to eat becomes overwhelming and unending. Children with this genetic defect often show an extreme appetite from an early age, causing concern and confusion for their families. For families, discovering that this is a genetic issue, not a behavioral one, brings a sense of relief and understanding. It shifts the focus from blame to support. This groundbreaking discovery helps to separate the act of eating from the sensation of hunger, providing clarity and insight into the condition. Obesity is a complex condition with deep biological roots, influenced by factors beyond simple diet and exercise. Identifying this broken switch in the brain helps explain a struggle that has long been shrouded in misconception and misunderstanding. It's not merely a lifestyle choice, it's a medical condition that requires understanding and treatment. Science provides a tangible explanation for this struggle, offering hope for better management and treatment options in the future. Understanding the science behind hunger can lead to more compassionate and effective solutions. Understanding MRAP2 requires knowing the brain's signal dance. Appetite is a symphony, not a simple switch. The hypothalamus conducts this orchestra, regulating hunger. Hormones like ghrelin and leptin send hunger and fullness signals. MC4R and MRAP2 are key players in this process. MRAP2 guides MC4R to receive fullness signals. Without MRAP2, the system fails, and hunger persists. This discovery reveals why the hunger dance can go wrong. It's a communication breakdown at a cellular level. MRAP2's role offers insight into persistent hunger. It's a critical facilitator in the hunger signal process. Let's explore the hunger signal, driven by ghrelin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, rises before meals, signaling the brain. MRAP2 modulates this signal, balancing hunger and fullness. Faulty MRAP2 amplifies ghrelin's effects, intensifying hunger. This creates a double whammy broken stop signal, amplified start signal. MRAP2 is a master regulator of appetite, crucial for balance. Understanding this connection is vital for treatment. It's not just a failure to feel full, it's an overactive hunger drive. Effective treatments must address both sides of the equation. MRAP2's link to ghrelin completes the picture of uncontrollable hunger. It's a central player in the body's energy-sensing pathways. The willpower narrative around weight loss is flawed. MRAP2 challenges this, showing the struggle is biological. A broken hunger switch can't be fixed by willpower alone. Conventional diets assume hunger signals work correctly. For those with faulty MRAP2, fullness never arrives. It's not just difficult, it's torture to stick to restrictive diets. MRAP2 explains variations in people's relationship with food. Genetics play a powerful role in appetite and weight management. This shifts the perspective from blame to understanding. Obesity is a complex medical condition, not a moral failing. This discovery offers hope for new treatments. Scientists aim to free trapped MC4R receptors with targeted drugs. A chemical chaperone showed promise in lab experiments. It helped MC4R receptors function normally, receiving fullness signals. This is a proof of concept for potential therapies. Precision medicine could fix the molecular error in appetite control. More research is needed, but the path forward is clearer. A drug restoring fullness offers hope for severe obesity. It's a new frontier in obesity treatment, targeting the root cause. This breakthrough changes the obesity conversation. Obesity is a complex disease, not a moral issue. MRAP2 provides evidence against the willpower argument. It shifts the focus to biology, fostering compassion and understanding. The medical community can now explore biological drivers of obesity. This research calls for empathy and policy changes. It's about biology, not blame, support, not shame. This discovery is a gift of understanding, changing the narrative. We stand at a new era's dawn in appetite understanding. MRAP2's discovery is a paradigm shift in appetite science. It inspires new research into the MRAP2 pathway. This discovery offers hope for those struggling with weight. It's a scientific confirmation of powerful forces beyond control. The future holds tailored treatments restoring balance. Celebrate this achievement and its promise for better health. MRAP2's identification opens new doors in understanding our bodies.